Hello dear students, today we will learn standard 4 subject art and craft. So let's start. Number 12, light and shadow. Okay, so light and shadow. This part is the light. Okay, and this part is the dark. So how can you using of light and dark means the whatever you draw and using of pencil, right? That time what we'll do, you using of the shade, right? Shade part. So whichever whatever dark part you can use, then after opposite side it is of light. Okay, so how can that, do you know where to draw light and shadows that can change shapes into form? Means whatever you shapes draw, then after whatever using of shadow means left side, right side, and then one part is the dark side. Whatever draw, then which part means one side is the dark, and then after light shade, opposite side is the light shade. Okay, so light and dark. Okay, so here shadow means whatever using means shapes using, for example this. Okay, so this is the circle, right? But here you can using of shade. See this part. Okay, here you can using of this part. Okay, see like this type. So it is of shadow. Okay, it is of shadow. See, so like this type means one side, whatever dark side is there. Okay, so dark side is there, what will do, you can using of dark okay, means dark side you can do shade, so it is of dark. Okay, now such as the circle into the shape. Now the three important components of light and shadows are: first, highlight. First highlights is there. So most highlight is the most important in a drawing. Means whatever you can using of colors also. Okay, that time what can do, now you can using of pencils, colors, but highlight is the most important part in drawing. So independent face the brightest area of the form where the light bounces off the surface, means bounces off its surface, means this highlight, this part is the highlight. Okay, this part is the highlight. Now second, shadows. I can giving that shadow like this type. Okay, for example here, now it is the square, right? And I will draw shadow, so using of here. Okay, see, so this part is the shadow. Okay, like this type. If you using from here, so this part is the light, so here you can using of light shadow. Okay, but this part is the dark, so here you can using of dark shadow. Okay, now so shadows are the sections of objects or living beings that receive little or no light. Okay, so no light. Okay, so what can I do? I can do dark part. Okay, so this part. Okay, so it is of shadow. Now reflected. The reflected light is the faint light reflected to the bounced back on an object from those surfaces that are close to and around it. Study thoroughly the space study thoroughly the spaces created here reproduce to same effect yourself. Means here giving that 1, 2 and 3 okay shapes, and then you can using of shadow means already colors is giving that. See, this part is the dark, in between that middle, and this part is the highlight, right? So here in downside that shadow also doing that, right? So same way here. So this part is the dark, so we can using of this part dark, okay, like this type. See, because this part is the dark and this part is the light, right? So because shadow is the light to the light part, okay, and this part is can using of dark. So it is, see, this part is the dark because here already highlight also giving, some shadow also giving, so here also we can using of dark. Okay, like this type. And this is also, see, too much dark, okay, this also, okay, like this type. Okay, so dear students, you can using of for pencil, and you have to do that this shadow part, okay, and sending in my WhatsApp number. Okay, now means if you sending that my WhatsApp number is there, no, then you have to send this picture, whatever you are over, then you can send me this picture. Okay, now this is of light and shadow. This part is the light and this part is the dark, means shadow. Okay, this part, whatever dark is there, it is your shadow. Okay, thank you.